crown, CR-150, 150-watt temperature-controlled glue gun with copper nozzle, rapid heating glue gun. High-quality and durable 150 watts mini hot glue gun is great to do it yourself small projects, arts and crafts, building and repairing, etc. The nozzle and the glue liquid are hot when the gun is working. Please don't touch it. If the glue gun doesn't work for 15 minutes, please cut off the power source to avoid the melting glue recirculating or damage. It may as the light smoke the first use. It is normal and it will die off 10 minutes later. If the strip is left after use, please don't pull it off, just let it in the gun for the next use. It is normal for some glue flowing out after the few seconds you finish working because of the inertia pressure. The heater component of the glue gun is made of positive temperature coefficient electric resistance. This full-size heavy-duty glue gun can be widely used in the process of production, assembly and packaging of industrial enterprises. Because it is a high-safety tool, it is suitable for schools, companies, outdoor workers and so on. High-tech thermal heating system ensure quick and accurate heating. The design of leak-proof glue can not only keep the working environment clean and tidy, but also save the glue stick. Glue gun can be used for wood, ceramics, card, fabric, plastic and so on. Will help you create some practical designs in your life, like fixed buttons, dried flower, embossed cards, etc. Not only practical design. The glue melting instant heats up in 2-5 minutes. Have enough power to handle wide range of applications. The smart temperature control offers excellent performance and perfect output.